All right, so we just got our yearly gift from the Raiders. Just came in from 1475 Raiders Way. And we're just gonna open it to see what they sent us. All right. So it's a nice black box. It looks like really upgraded packaging. And there's like little signatures on the side along with the logo on the front. And there is a little strap to pull, so I'm assuming we're gonna just pull that real quick.
That is so
Being voted to the Pro Football Hall of Fame is one of the greatest experiences that you can ever receive in any career. You start out with a dream, and part of that dream is coming to an end today. If I had one word to describe how I feel, it's pride. Being proud to make it to the Pro Football Hall of Fame. We have had a tradition with the Raiders that winning is all that matters. Just win, baby. I was proud to be a professional football player.
Just win, baby.
And I'm happy it's still in my veins. My only desire was to be a part of this great game of football. When you put silver black on, you get such a surge of
There
energy.
is a recording when you open it, and it's lit up.
As a matter of fact,
And this is Pro Hall of Fame. Looks like these are all of the Hall of Famers who are Raiders.
I finally understood that with the Raiders. The enshrinement is a reflection of a love affair with the greatest game the world has ever known. I shall cherish
So
this honor
here
for the
is
rest of my life.
the actual tickets. I think 2021 season. So we got 4 tickets. So these are our 4 packets of tickets and what they look like. Nice foiling. Really upgraded stuff here. This is the first game with
that is cool.
the Seahawks, and you got Ron Mix on the front there. This is the game with the Ravens. This is the game with the Dolphins. Definitely going to be going to that one. Families from South Florida and New York, but you got George Blanda on there. This is the game versus the Bears. You got Willie Brown on that one. You got the game versus the Eagles on October 24th with Gene Upshaw. And then, so they got pictures. Basically, it looks like they're honoring their Hall of Fame inductees, and that is the theme of these tickets. You got Fred Biletnikoff, Chiefs game, Art Shell for the Bengals game, Ted Hendricks for the Washington football team game, Al Davis, of course, for the Broncos, Mike Haynes for the Chargers game, and then Raiders playoff tickets. Wow, okay, so if we make the playoffs, these will be the tickets for those as well. They got to make the playoffs for these to be activated. They've got some pretty cool technology on the back of each of these tickets. I'll block out the QR code, but that's like some special technology. Looks like a chip of some sort. But yeah, pretty cool presentation again. This year, these guys did a good job with the tickets. You got that nice flame. Cool feature there at the stadium. And that is it. Looks like this could be hung up because it does have a little space right here, and it's a little bit sticky. So that might be able to be hung like on the wall or something. But for now, We'll put all these back. And that is the presentation for the tickets for the 2021 Raiders football season.